Hi, my name is James.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
We recently undertook a renovation with Gaia Construction and we wanted to share our story. It began in the front room where the draft was blowing our heavy curtain through a closed window, and then we walked to our bedroom and saw a mushroom growing in our ensuite and through the kitchen, the floor falling through as we walked through to our laundry. And we thought we really needed to fix this. And then Hannah signed me up to attend the speed dating at the Bayside Council.
The sustainability day,
Yeah, the sustainability day.
We started down a path of talking with Simone from Gruen and working with Jeremy from Gaia about getting plans together and working with the builder to a budget. I think at first our expectations were a bit high about what we'd get for our money. We had to revisit our budget and increase that a bit. But that really helped us be realistic about what we needed and what we needed to prioritise. So I think from Simone, the sustainability was really important to us, and the UPVC windows and the insulation and things, and making sure that at the end of the day that was kind of our number one.
And I think that really came home when we were going out to quote with other builders and found that budget was very realistic for what we would get. And some of the other builders suggesting things that were away from what we were originally, our main vision and intent for the house. And so that's where we went with Gaia. But a few things that stood out for me was really transparency, especially through the relationship that it's not only Gaia, you get your builder, but you also get a very strong project manager in Sue. You get the co-construct app, which really allowed us to keep track of variations, new photo updates on a daily basis, seeing the schedule.
Yeah, I think we underestimated when comparing quotes the value of co-construct and how that really put our mind at ease throughout the whole process, knowing that everything was recorded and you could see photos, and it was a really big plus.
So delightful experience. We went from that classic builder statement of on time, on budget, on quality, and we had all that done ahead of time. So it was a really exciting result for us pre-Christmas.
Yeah.
Yes, 100% recommend Gaia Construction.
Yes, absolutely. Very good experience, and we're thrilled with the results. Very good, high quality renovation.
Working with a builder and providing the budget, we had some trepidation early on, but we found that was actually really helpful through the process, because the builder brought us back to earth in some of the ideas that we're having and what the designer was first suggesting, and it really brought that realistic lens that managed our expectations for what we could do, but also gave us a lot of options through the process before we'd actually committed to things. So we were, again, very transparent about what we could achieve for what money we could spend. It's certainly been a flood of emotions walking back into the home. This has been a family home for us for a little while, but prior to that for my family. And it is relatively similar from the outside, very limited change, but as you walk through that front door, a gush of emotion it really is substantially different. It's basically a new house internally. We had gutted all of the plasterboard to put insulation in every wall, and that's really freshened the place. Jeremy made the comment to me, we lost about 20 squares of window in this house, but through Jeremy and Simone and the focus on lighting, it is a far lighter premise than we had before. So we're really, really pleased.
Yeah.